Today's Saturday, January 30th. It's about to be 10 and I'm out here with Joel and Julie. We're gonna be ice fishing today for yellow perch and trout, but we're really targeting yellow perch today. I just dropped my lures down and Joel and I are gonna do a little bit of a challenge. We're gonna have three different categories. First fish, biggest fish, and most fish. So we're gonna see who's the best ice fisherman of us two. A little twin ice fishing challenge. He is already all set up too and he's fishing, so good luck to him too. And if you guys want to check out his video, I'll link his channel down below.
Wow, Joffrey just went off.
Yep. That's a good one.
Yeah, that's a good one.
That's like bigger than all the ones we caught yesterday.
Or the last weekend.
Oh yeah, last weekend. Alright, first fish of the day. I won the first competition.
Wow, look, he has a little nice little belly.
See it right there?
It's ugly.
Alright, we're gonna go get back to it. Anyways, hopefully we can catch another one pretty quick. We need like 10 of those, at least. So far I'm in the lead, winning all 3 challenges. I caught the first fish, I have the only fish, so I have the most fish, and I have the biggest fish. So Joel's not looking pretty good.
No!
I just got both my rods down. We just moved. We're closer to the edge of the lake and now we're closer to the center. Just trying to see where these fish might be at. We only caught 2 fish in our last spot, so it was time to move. Got it.
Ooh.
Nice. Change the chartreuse. I knew it, because since I got my last one with a chartreuse, I changed the chartreuse.
Oh, look, you have another one here.
Do I? No, it got tangled.
Oh, yeah.
Second perch of the day for me. So I'm leading 2 of the challenges.
Oh, 3 of them, actually.
Oh yeah, I'm leading 3 of the challenges. It's okay. Joel will catch up. Joel's got Julie on his team. And Julie's a pretty good fisherwoman. Alright, I caught that on a Swedish pimple, chartreuse with a little something. It's recording.
Oh. Wow, you're welcome.
I was too focused on my sandwich. That's my 3rd one of the day. This is the 3rd spot we've been at. Another one. Wow. This one feels nice. Oh. Dude, nice reflexes. Alright. Just caught a fish with my hand. No fish gets away from me. No fish. Got another one. Oh, it's a little one.
I don't know whose looks like better, Tyler fishing or Bryson fishing.
There's another one. I just caught one off camera. Got one. Whoa, this one feels good. Nice. It's a good one right there.
Oh,
Dang it.
that's too bad. You do not want those.
Not good. Okay, so I caught a total of 8 fish today. It's about the same as last week.
I have 1, 2, 3, 6, 7.
We tried all of them?
Julie caught like 7 and Joel caught like 5. So I ended up winning all 3 of the competitions. Joel was still pretty good, and Julie was really close to beating me at most fish. That's her catch right there. And Joel's.
Yeah, I think. Wait, are yours not there?
No, mine aren't there.
Oh, okay.
Because they're in the way.
Yeah, anyways. Yep, we had a lot of fun, and we're gonna try to get out here again before the ice melts. Anyways, thank you guys.
Yeah, good game.
Okay, catch you guys later.
See ya.